Question number 31. A trader wants to improve his gross margin. He wants to increase his gross margin. How can he do this? Gross margin means gross profit. Gross margin means gross profit. Reduce administrative expense. Administrative expense is coming in the profit and loss account section. It will not affect the gross profit. Gross profit means only sales and cost of sales or purchase and other direct expense. So administrative expense will not affect. Reduce depreciation, that is enter in the profit and loss account section, not in the trading section. Reduce cash discount. No. Reduce rate of trade discount. Trade discount is the part of the purchase and sales. So business can improve their gross margin by reducing the trade discount. That means selling price reducing. By reducing the trade discount means when reducing the trade discount, selling price will increase. So they can improve the gross margin. Correct answer is D. Next. Question number 32. Zach has depreciated his machinery 20% using straight line method. December 2018, statement of financial position, machinery cost, depreciation given. On 31st December 2019, Zach was considering calculating annual depreciation at 20%, the same percentage, but on net book value of the machinery. Net book value means reducing balance method. Actually, they were following straight line method. Now he wants to calculate net book value. It means reducing balance method. The same percentage. Before they were calculating 20% on cost, straight line method. Now Zach is considering he want to calculate the depreciation on net book value. So what is the question? Which statement is correct? Depreciation would be 3,600 applying on consistency principle. On consistency principle, business should continue with the same depreciation method in every year. So they should follow here. Actually, they were following straight line method. Straight line method on 20%. 20%. 30,000 multiply 20 by 100. That is 6,000. He was calculating the depreciation. So every year he should follow the 6,000 as the depreciation as per the consistency concept. So depreciation would be 3,600. 3,600 means it will be on the reducing balance method. He cannot follow this reducing balance method in the middle of the year. Next, depreciation 3,600 applying prudence. No. Depreciation would be 6,000 applying on consistency principle. So the correct answer is C. As per the consistency principle, they should follow the same amount. Next, question number 33. The financial statements of a business are prepared on the basis it will continue to operate for many years. Business will continue this operation. What accounting principle being applied? Business entity concept. Business entity concept means owner and business is entirely separated. Going concern business is continually operating the business. Correct answer is option B. Question number 34. When Marina opened business, she purchased a stapler for office. She recorded this as office expense rather than office equipment. This is a small item. Which accounting principle did Marina apply? As per the materiality concept, business should treat that is revenue or capital expenditure. So consistency, no. Historic, no. Prudence, no. Correct answer is materiality concept. Question number 35. What is not an aim of international accounting standards? What is not the aim of international accounting standard? To ensure accounting standard different countries, that is one aim. To establish an organization to set standard in every country. There is no establishing of organization to set standard in every country. So this is not the aim of international accounting standard. Answer B is the correct answer.